Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Forgive all the noise in the background. But guys, these are my pepper plants. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pepper plants. Planters growing. And they are amazing. They are amazing. Look how beautiful they are. Aren't they gorgeous? We don't have a problem with food. Torpedo Pot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is to throw your seeds in that planter, and voila, you get stuff you've never seen before. And peppers are all over the place. Can you see them? And those that are about to come. We're not even hitting the right temperature that I like to have for them to really take off. But they're showing some really, really good signs. And we don't not have the jalapenos, but we have various types of peppers. And in this one, the banana pepper. Look how well it's doing. I'm gonna do another video with the banana so you can see exactly how beautiful they're growing, how healthy they are, how many limbs are left, how many flowers are left. This is the type of growing system you want around you and your family. You want real food. Do you see any blemishes? This is perfect food, not seen like anything else before in the world. This is perfect food. And what's so good about the torpedo pot is that you can spin your torpedo pot around. Oh, I tell you, that looks so beautiful. Man, that looks so beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna pick these off there very soon, but let's spin it around, see what else is on the other side. That's why I love this system, because you can see everything that's growing in that torpedo pot. So we have the jalapenos, we have the cayenne, we have the banana peppers, Hungarian peppers, and now we're going to go to the, look at these. Boy, they're so beautiful. Wow. Look at these peppers, guys. They're gorgeous. Boy, they are gorgeous. Aren't they beautiful? They are absolutely beautiful. Man. And boy, so we're going to count what we're going to get per planter. And we're going to get a lot of plants, a lot of peppers per planter. We're going to find out what's going on in these. So we're going to start harvesting some of our peppers and storing them away. Guys, these are torpedo pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. You simply drop your seeds in these planters. That's what we did. We threw our seeds into the planters, and it literally grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Isn't that beautiful? Look how healthy they are. Not one pepper has a blemish. And that's one plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I mean, you might get about 20 something peppers from one plant. It's amazing. Oh my God, you see 20 something. Look at this. Torpedo pot is no joke. It grows your food. The older planters, that may be 5 years old, perform just as good as the new ones do. You're buying a growing system that will feed you and your family for the rest of your lives. Dude, look at this stuff. Look how perfect this food is. I want you to find one blemish on any one of these planters. Torpedo pot grows your food. Have you ever seen such perfect food? Torpedo pot, once you put your seeds in your plants, and you never ever water your plants again. Stop watering your plants, you're messing it up. Let your plants grow by themselves. I'm gonna harvest this with you guys. You guys can take a look at this. This is absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna let them wait and go throughout the season. I'm estimating on that one plant alone, see, she might have about 300 peppers. Probably about 300 peppers. We're ready. Well, I've already started picking them to eat off of, but once you start harvesting them, then we'll be able to tell exactly what the true planters can do, because these are truly amazing. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.